To tell you the truth, I thought there was no way this was going to work. I have to say that this was the first time I was actually happy to be wrong. The thing is, I've been a bit heavy for most of my life, and for as long as I can remember, I really tried to lose the extra weight. Low carb, paleo, Atkins, vegan, gluten-free, I was on them all. But none really ever helped me shed the pounds and keep them off for good. And it didn't help that my friends who were on the very same plans actually saw results too. I was frustrated. I was resentful. And eventually, I was just done trying. After all, what was the point? Nothing ever worked for me. But years after, I threw in the towel, and something about it gave me just enough hope to try one last time. And let me tell you, I'm so relieved I did. Because after decades of not responding to literally hundreds of different diets, I finally found something that actually works. I dropped 10 pounds in the first 2 weeks alone, and I'm down 27 pounds total. And best of all, I've never been on a simpler, tastier plan in my life. It's easy to follow, clearly laid out, and was never, ever a hassle. Plus, I wasn't always starving like the other plans I'd been on. In fact, it didn't even feel like I was dieting at all. I was comfortable, energized, and focused the whole way through. This is the thinnest and happiest I've felt in years. But more than anything else, I'm just so excited that I finally found a program that actually works.
Hello everybody, today I have a very special review for you. First of all, just let me say that this is such a great product. It has helped me tremendously so far. I made the right decision.
Lepto Connect is a new weight loss supplement that utilizes a set of powerful fat-burning techniques. Excess fat is something many people had wanted to deal with. Fats around one's stomach and thighs are known as stubborn fats. These are particularly difficult to get rid of. Despite one's hardest efforts, sometimes their body simply is unable to shred these troublesome fats. Lepto Connect is a weight loss formula that people should not overlook. It provides the help that many people have wanted for long.
The best part is that you can reference and ask questions at any time to use this. Order today with confidence, and if you put this information to test for 60 days and you don't see results, and if you feel that this product does not help you, you will receive 100% of your money back. So that basically means that there is nothing to lose. Before purchasing it, I searched to find a discount, and I found a huge discount. If you'd like to get the same discount, just visit the link below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.